I am Radhika Niranjan, founder and CEO of RNI Associates and trainer from Trainson. Humbled and privileged to be invited to Welingkar to deliver a session on AI Bootcamp 2025. I am here to train about 30 professionals who are aspiring to learn the basics of AI, understand in depth about the various tools and techniques that they can apply to simplify their life, save time, effort, energy, and become innovators of next level. This program will also give them a hands-on experience on a mini capstone project where they will take up the challenge of building an AI-driven solution and pitching it to the investors. I think by the end of the day, they should have a very great level of understanding of how AI can impact their daily lives positively and constructively. Thank you, Welinkars, once again for bringing me on board. Signing off, Radhika Niranjan.
Hi, my name is Tejashree Gurao. I'm currently pursuing PGDM in HR from Welingkar Institute. Today I attended AI Bootcamp workshop which was conducted by Professor Radhika Niranjan. She explained all the concepts in an amazing manner. Along with theoretical knowledge, we also got a lot of practical knowledge by working hands-on on different AI software. Because of the diverse group of attendees, there was a lot of value addition to the session. Overall, it was an amazing learning experience. Thank you.